gaming PC was built 4-5 years ago. The water cooling system is failing and the CPU temperature is on the rise. Everything else are working fine. Motherboard, CPU, memory, hard drive, graphic cards, power supply. So I have to make a decision to choose one of these two options. One, liquid cooling, or Nokia Chromax Black high performance fan. In my opinion, I would suggest to go with the Nokia because it can be sustainable more for the future to take it to another computer if this totally failed or need to be replaced, so it's future proof. That's where the value comes when you design and build a custom computer by specialists like Asmarina Computers.